If you are looking for how to change margin of a middle page in Microsoft Word, then this easy tutorial for you. So you can see that over here I have 7 pages, and first I'm going to in the view tab and select the multiple pages, and here now you can see that I have 7 pages. So for example, you want to change the margin of the page number 6. So select the all text of this page and then go to the layout section on the top menu bar. Click on that and go to the margins and click on the customs margin. Now the page setup will be open, and under the margin tab you will see that margin from top, left, bottom, right. So now type the margin, for example zero point 0.7 from top, zero point 0.7 from left, zero point 0.6 for bottom, zero point 0.6 for right. And now you will see that apply to whole document, and you need to click this arrow and you will see that only the selected text. So you need to select this selected text option and click OK. And here you can see that the margin has been changed for this specific 6 number page. So this way you can easily set margin in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.